So guys, all the Mercedes GLC, C-Class, doesn't matter, 43, 63, that's a common issue. Your window switch, doesn't matter which one, in my case rear right, got all loosey-goosey. So how to change this? So you take a prying tool like this, you pry from the front up, on the side up. Be careful, don't pry from here, because I show you why I don't pry from here. And you go around, jiggle it out. Here, you see those ears? This is why you don't pry from the back. If you pry from the back up, you break them out. So you turn it around, you got your connection right there, you push in the middle, you remove it. So after that, you take a flathead screwdriver. In that case, it's the wifey's pink. Okay, that's any other one. You're seeing those ears? You have to gently unclip them. You go underneath. Do you guys see something? Go gently under. Break out. Loose. You're separating it. You keep this. You take the new part. You line it up, and you see those ears. Click, 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 clicked. Perfect. Turn around. Connect it again. This connector only goes one way, and you line up the ears in the back, and you gently push it in. I recommend not pushing it in all the way. Put the key on and try your windows. Working, 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 working. All four windows are working. The mirrors are working too. And now you're pushing it in place. Perfect. No scratches. Perfect. So now, let me guys tell you another story. This thing breaks is a common issue. So you go to Mercedes, you think, how much can it be? Yeah, that's what I thought. $465 by the dealer. I told him to keep it. This is ridiculous. I'm not supporting this. This one I found on Amazon. Found it yesterday. Ordered it yesterday. Came in one day. Less than 24 hours actually. $45. Tax in and do the shipping. $45. Perfect. It's exact the same. There's no difference of quality. And even if it breaks in 2 years, I order another one for that price. Like and subscribe for more content. MK Performance tells you how to do it.